Robotic Process Automation, RPA. Robotic Process Automation is a solution to automate the day-to-day manual tasks performed by configuration analysts. Manual tasks include application configuration, data entry, validation of client files, creation of test data, data loads, and report generation. The solution uses the following components: Cognitive Automation Platform, CAP, and Unified Test Management Solution, UTMS. The Cognitive Automation Platform, powered by machine learning and predictive capabilities, can generate meaningful data from any format of unstructured data fed to it. The Unified Test Management Solution, enabled by bots, can enhance productivity and efficiency by taking over labor-intensive and repetitive tasks. Configurations done for the client are generally rules-based. A typical configuration has around 1,500 rules. A configuration analyst usually takes around 4 to 6 weeks for each client to complete the configurations. When a configuration analyst performs these tasks, implementation consultants would need to wait to perform validation. This is contributing to a longer implementation cycle. Our robotic process automation solution not only delivers significant improvement in timelines, but also improves the quality and productiveness of resources. Business requirements documents and other input documents, such as price and rate sheets, IDM, and payroll schedules, are fed to the Cognitive Automation Platform to identify the required configurations, static data, and business rules required to onboard a client. Structured rules output is generated from the Cognitive Automation Platform, which includes static data, the client-specific data such as benefit areas, coverage levels and tiers, benefit plan options, and much more that needs to be manually entered into the configuration tool. Business rules are temporary and custom rules generated on the fly to enable system functionalities. All of these rules are stored in the configuration tool. The Cognitive Automation Platform ensures structured rule generation from different unstructured file formats fed to it. The Unified Test Management Solution provides the ability to build the robotic scripts and ensures that the processed rules are fed to the configuration tool without any manual intervention. Leveraging the unique abilities of the Cognitive Automation Platform and the Unified Test Management Solution, we could reduce configuration effort by 60% and product implementation timelines by 30%.